Another day, another Spanish sardines. Gawa na naman ako ulit. Kasi nga nasira yung unang ginawa ko dahil hindi ko nalagyan ng suka at saka hindi ko natimplahan ng asin. Walang lasa. Pero sobrang sarap niya. So watch me to show you how to cook simple Spanish sardines. Maybe you love to do it. First, brine the 500 grams of sardines in water with salt. Of course, don't forget to clean the fish and remove the head of the fish. And this is some of my ingredients. Chili finger, 1 medium carrots, and also the cucumber, or should I say gherkins, and also garlic.
After preparing all the ingredients, then layer all the ingredients you prepared until done, and after that on the top put the chilies and season with salt. After season with salt, add 3 tablespoons of vinegar and add 1/4 cup of water, and then add a glass of olive oil.
And cover the pan or a hob, then cook for 2 hours or until the sardines get tender. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, comment down below. Paki-like na lang din po at share para naman umabot sa kung saan ng sulok ng mundo ang aking video.